Today, we're digging into a new tool called Zynzo AI, and it's making a pretty bold promise. It claims it can shift you from being just another content creator to a full-blown digital publisher. By the end of this, you'll know if this is the real deal for building an actual business or just more hype. So let's start with the question, and be honest with yourself. Are you constantly on that content hamster wheel? You know, turning out social posts, blog articles, freebies, stuff that just vanishes into the ether? You're chasing likes and views, but you're not actually building anything that pays the bills. If that sounds a little too familiar, then you're gonna want to stick around.
I mean, this slide says it all, doesn't it? It's like two different worlds. Over on the left, you've got the creator, just trying to get noticed. But on the right, you've got the publisher. They're not just making content, they're building actual digital assets, things that clients are actively searching for and willing to pay for. And that's the big leap we're talking about today.
All right, so how do you actually make that jump? Well, Zynzo AI is positioning itself as the engine to do just that. So let's pop the hood and see how this thing really works. So what is it exactly? They're calling it an AI publishing system. And the idea is, well, it's crazy simple. You feed it a single keyword, and in less than a minute, seriously, under 60 seconds, it spits out a completely finished digital publication. We're talking professional-looking magazines, brochures, catalogs, the stuff that businesses pay top dollar for. And this is the magic right here. You just start with a basic keyword. It could be anything: keto recipes, vintage car restoration, whatever. And the AI does all the heavy lifting. It's not just writing the text. It's designing the pages, finding the images, and putting the whole thing together into a product that's ready to sell. And the whole process? It's pretty much a 1, 2, 3 deal. Step 1, you pick what you want to make: a magazine, a brochure, you name it. Step 2, you type in your keyword and hit go. And step 3, you publish it, you sell it, and you get paid. The entire point is to make it fast and dead simple. Okay, but to really get why this might be a game changer, you have to look at the alternative. Let's do a quick comparison of the old way of doing things versus the Zynzo AI way.
First up, let's talk about the old way, the hard way. And let's be honest, we've all probably been down this road.
You know the drill, right? You gotta hire a designer, maybe a writer, and that gets expensive fast. You're juggling like 5 different complicated tools. A single project can drag on for weeks. And at the end of it all, you might just end up with a boring PDF that nobody even reads. And you're left wondering how to actually make any money from it. It's a total grind.
Okay, so now let's flip the script and see the path Zynzo AI is promising. The smart and easy way.
This is designed to be the antidote to all that pain. You turn a keyword into a product instantly. You don't need to know a thing about writing or design. You're creating the exact type of assets clients are already paying hundreds, even thousands for. And best of all, it's an all-in-one system, so during this launch, there are no recurring monthly fees.
All right, real talk time. No tool is a magic bullet for everyone. So who's this actually for? And, just as important, who should probably skip this one? Getting this right is how you make a good buying decision.
So this is a total no-brainer if you're a freelancer who wants to add a new high-value service. It's perfect for digital marketers who need to whip up awesome lead magnets without waiting on anyone. It's a lifesaver for small agencies trying to pump out client work faster. And yeah, it's definitely for content creators who are finally ready to package their knowledge and sell it. But hey, who should probably sit this one out? Well, if you work for a big company with a huge design team doing super complex print layouts that need multiple rounds of approval, this probably isn't for you. It's built for speed and digital-first creation, not for those big, complicated corporate workflows. Okay, so if you're still with me and you're thinking, hey, that sounds like me, then let's get to the good part, the deal. Because the way they've priced this for the launch is a huge piece of the puzzle. So you've got 2 options here, personal and commercial. But let's be real. If you have any intention of making money with this, the commercial license is the only one that makes sense. That's what lets you actually sell what you create. And look at these prices right now with the coupons. This isn't a monthly fee, it's a one-and-done payment. And that's really the main thing to understand here. The commercial license is what turns this from a fun little tool into an actual business model. It's the key that unlocks the ability to go out and sell these publications to clients for real money. And I gotta say it again, this is a one-time payment. Just think for a second about what you pay every single month. Your design software, your stock photo subscription, maybe an AI writer. It's death by 1,000 cuts. This offer is meant to replace a whole stack of those monthly bills. And to make it a total no-brainer during the launch, they're throwing in a bunch of bonuses that they're valuing at almost $6 grand.
These are things like training on how to start your own agency or how to sell on Amazon KDP. They're basically handing you a roadmap to actually succeed with the tool.
So, here we are, it all comes down to a decision. And the way they're framing it, it's about more than just buying another piece of software.
This quote right here from their page, this is the whole pitch in a nutshell. The idea isn't just that you're buying a tool to make some docs. You're buying a system that lets you step up into a new role, the role of a digital publisher who actually creates and sells value.
And just in case you're still on the fence, they've taken all the risk off your shoulders. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can get it, try it out, make a few publications for a client or for yourself, and if it's not what you hoped for, you get your money back. It's a completely risk-free decision. So the final question is for you. Are you ready to make that shift from being a content creator to becoming a digital publisher? If you've watched this and you think this is the right tool for your business, the special launch offer link is waiting for you in the description below. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.